Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our Maths class. I hope all of you have studied what is taught in the previous classes. Let's start our today's class. Activity 1. Here is a budget of a panchayat and the money allotted for various sectors are as shown below. For health, it is 12,55,000. For education, it is 7,89,000. Road development, 20,60,000. And for drinking water, it is 4,90,000. Which sector is allotted the largest amount? Yes, it is road development. And the least amount? Yes, the least amount is 4,90,000 and it is for drinking water. The next question is how much more is allotted to road development than education? For finding the answer, we have to subtract the amount of education from the amount of road development. That is 20,60,000 minus 7,89,000. Then you will get the answer 12,71,000. Then the next question, what is the total allotment? For that, you have to find the total of these four sectors together. Then the total allotment you will get is 45,94,000. Then go for the next question. For the next year, the allotment is to be increased by 4 lakhs. Draw a revised budget in two different ways. Now, for the first revised budget, I had drawn a table and written the sectors. Now, we have to find the revised amount. The allotment is to be increased by 4 lakhs. For that, I am dividing 4 lakhs into 4 1 lakhs. Now, add 1 lakh to each of the amounts given. Now, we have to add these numbers. For that, we have to add 1 lakh to each of the numbers. The simplest method is adding 1 to the number in the lakhs place. Then 12,55,000 plus 1 lakh gives 12 lakh plus 1 lakh. What is that? 13,55,000. Then 7,89,000 plus 1 lakh. The answer is 8,89,000. Next, add 20,60,000 plus 1 lakh. What is 20 plus 1? 21. Then the answer is 21,60,000. Next, 4,90,000 plus 1 lakh. What is the answer? 5,90,000. Have you all understood this? This way, we can write the next second revised budget. Then, in the second revised budget, I am dividing 4 lakh into 2. Then, add 2 lakh each to the two sectors, health and drinking water. There is no change in the other two sectors. Then, what will you get on adding 2 lakh to 12,55,000? It is 14,55,000. Then 7,89,000. Then 20,60,000. Next 4,90,000 plus 2 lakh. What is the answer? 6,90,000. Have you all understood these two revised budgets? Then we shall go to the next activity. Activity number 2. Digit sum and digital root. Digit sum is the sum of the digits of a number. Digital root is the single digit value obtained by the process of summing digits. The digital root is always less than 10. Let us find the digit sum and digital root of 347. Digit sum. It is the sum of the digits. That is 3 plus 4 plus 7 equal 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Then you have to find the digital root. Digital root is the single digit value obtained on summing the digits. What we have to find is to add these numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 7 equal 14. Then add 1 plus 4. It is 5. 5 is the digital root of 347. Have you all understood this? Then we shall go to the next activity. Next, third activity, Kapreikar constant. This Kapreikar constant is discovered by Dr. Kapreikar. The number is 6174, a 4-digit number. How will you find the Kapreikar constant? Find the largest and smallest number with any 4-digit without repetition. Then find the difference. Repeat the above process until we get 6174. An example is given to find the Kapreikar constant. Digits 2, 3, 5, 6. Find the largest and smallest number and then find the difference. 6532 minus 2356 equal 4176. With this answer, you have to find the largest and smallest number and then find the difference. The largest number is 7641 minus the smallest number 1467. We got the Kapreikar constant 6174. Then activity number 4. A panchayat decided to provide furniture for the primary school. The price of a desk is 3456. What would be the total cost for 85 desks? Here in the question, the price of one desk is given. That is rupees 3456. Then we have to find the price of 85 desks. How will you find the price of 85 desks? Yes, by multiplying. Multiply the price of one desk into 85. That is 3456 into 85. Here we are going to multiply these numbers by split method. Do you know what is a split method? By splitting one of the number, we can easily find the answer. That is 3456 into, we have to split 85. How will you split 85? 80 plus 5. Then multiply 3456 into 80. 3456 into 80. Put it in bracket, then put the plus sign, then 3456 into 5. Put it also in the bracket. You have to do the numbers in the bracket first. That is 3456 into 80. No need to write the 0. After removing 0, multiply 3456 into 8. 6 into 8 is 48. Write 8 here and carry over 4. Then 5 into 8 is 40. 40 plus 4, 44. Write 4 here, carry over 4. Then 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 4, yes, it is 36. Write 6 here, carry over 3. Then 3 into 8, 24. 24 plus 3, yes, it is 27. Write the answer 27648. Also add the 0. Plus, then you have to multiply 3456 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30. Then write 0, carry over 3. Then 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. Write 8 here, carry over 2. Then 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Then write 2 here, 2 carry. Then 3 into 5. Yes, it is 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Then you got the answer 17280. Then add these two numbers. 276,480 plus, you have to write the number from the right side onwards. 0, 8, 2, 7, 1. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 8, 16. 6, 1 carry. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 6 plus 7, yes, it is 13. 3, 1 carry. Then 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then write the 2 here. Then we got the answer equal 2, 9, 3, 7, 6, 0. Put commas. Put the rupee sign. What's the number here? 2,93,760. The price of 85 desk is 2,93,760. Have you all understood this? Then we shall continue the class in the next video.